From a single seed, a journey begins. As the sun rises over the quiet countryside, a farmer prepares his land with patience and determination. The soil is carefully plowed, softened, and made ready to receive new life. In his weathered hands lie small melon seeds, simple yet full of promise. One by one, the seeds are placed into the earth. Covered gently with soil, they disappear from sight, but their story is just beginning. With water, sunlight, and constant care, the field slowly transforms. Tiny green shoots push through the ground, reaching toward the sky. Days pass, the plants grow stronger, yellow flowers bloom, and bees dance from one blossom to another, carrying life forward. As summer deepens, small melons begin to form beneath wide green leaves. With time, they grow larger, sweeter, and heavier. The field becomes a sea of golden fruit resting on the warm earth. This is the reward of patience, the result of dedication and hard work. Harvest season arrives. Workers carefully gather each ripe melon, placing them into wooden crates. Every fruit is handled with care, knowing it will soon reach someone's table. The crates are loaded onto trucks and transported to modern processing facilities, where quality is checked and the melons are sorted and packed. From the factory, they travel again, this time to supermarkets. Under bright lights, employees carefully arrange the fresh melons on clean display shelves. Soon, customers arrive. A family selects a ripe melon, feeling its weight, smelling its sweetness. At home, it is sliced open, revealing its juicy, golden heart. Smiles appear. A child takes a bite, and the sweetness of the land fills the room. And back in the field, as the sun sets once more, the farmer stands proudly among his crops. Nearby, people enjoy the very fruit that grew from his labor. In that quiet moment, the connection becomes clear. From the farmer's hands to the family's table. Every sweet slice carries a story of effort, hope, and dedication. This is more than agriculture. This is the journey of nourishment, from the earth to life itself.